Sometimes you don't even get people shouting out. Sometimes you just get heckled by noises.
See, what's happening there? There's a goat. Someone let a goat in. Is there a goat just come in here? You know, he's up there now. Oh, get out! Get that goat out. What's that noise? Could you hear a noise then? Did you hear it? Like thunder? What is it?
You dropped your wallet.
Drop me wallet, cheeky bastard. You've dropped your wallet. That's staying in. I have not got a clue. Don't know whether it were a girl or a mini rocket. Don't know. We all heard it though, didn't we? And it went on a little bit too long, didn't it? A little bit eerily too long. And between me and you, I hope it don't happen again. Because you feel guilty with the environment. I can't put a can of Coke in bin at home, me. I've got to get it out, put it outside with all my recycling. Did that just happen then? I've just been heckled by a ship. Who smuggled the ship in? Anyway, I'll just brush over that. I've never been heckled by a ship before.